Welcome back to another trade recap video. Okay, so this trade yesterday was going to be going over my trade on GU. This was a 2% win on my Fibers evals. It was, I believe, 1.9k. Let's just have a look. Yeah, 1.92k. Okay, on my Fibers eval. Okay, as always, we're going to break it down top to bottom. Okay, exactly what I was looking at. Okay, now coming into the day, okay, I was bullish. Okay, I was. Reason being, we were bullish. It's as simple as that. We're bullish on pretty much every single time frame. If I just drop it back here, even here, okay. So prior to this movement, we were bullish. Okay, the last low for us to get a change out delivery is all the way down here. This sequence of candles is the sequence of candles that produce the last high. Okay, so we're bullish hourly, bullish 4 hourly, and a bullish daily. Okay, so initially I was looking for a slight rebalance into this area here to then continue back up. Okay, now we did not get that. Okay, and I'll tell you exactly why I ended up taking this trade. Okay, it was counter trend, obviously keep that in mind, which is why I was taking an eval and not a funded account. Okay, so we had SMT with EU here. So EU took out this high, Asian high, and GU didn't. Okay, so we have SMT from here to here. Okay, GU. Okay, now what London did is the reason as to why I took this trade. Okay, London was pretty bearish. Okay, we opened up here, so London produced the high. Okay. Oh. Why is that not moving? Oh my god, I didn't click it. What a dumbass. Bro, why is that not working? Holy cook. Right, anyway. Now it works. Yeah, sound. Okay. Anyway, okay. So London opened here, okay. We had SMT at London high, okay. We were then very bearish from basically the whole of London session, okay. Now, what I thought was that price would want to go into EQ off this swing here, and this is exactly why I was looking to take this trade, okay. Am I recording? Yeah, I am, okay. So, when I saw this, all I was looking for was price to retrace back up into this POI here. So ideally, fill the entirety up to here, but we didn't get that. I still took the trade regardless, and I'll tell you why here, okay? So if we go on the... What does it look like? Oh, sorry. Here we go. Okay, here. This is why I took it here, okay? This to me was pretty good confirmation. We get a 3-minute change in state of delivery right here. Okay, now I just got a bit of a shit entry. I actually entered, it was around here, I think it was 7.5. It's a little bit lower. I entered here. Okay, so that to me was good enough confirmation for me wanting to go shorts. Very simple entry model. Well, it was supposed to be an EQ, but I did fuck it up. But it was a 3-minute change in state of delivery, and then a swing from this swing high to, well, it should have been from this swing low, okay, and then targeted to from there, okay. Now, as I said, I got a bit of a worse entry, which is why then I held it until no, it was past that. It was here. It was exactly a 2 risk to reward. Yeah, it's about there. Yeah, 880. That's what I was there. Okay, from there we can just see price play out. A little bit choppy, then we get the breakthrough there. Right, that was simply the trade. Okay, pretty easy trade. Okay, obviously it is counter trend, so that is obviously a huge con. As I said, you would not be taking this trade unfunded, in my opinion, just because you have all higher time frame against you. Okay, and that's not something that I want to risk capital on. However, I'm more than happy to to risk 2% on an eval on a trade like this. Okay, but yeah, pretty clean. That's really it. That was the only trade I took this week. The only trade. I am going to be starting my futures journey as well. Okay, I am also going to be going live every single day over on TikTok. Okay, so I'm going to be breaking down London session, breaking down sort of the trades, what market is doing, what market could look to do over on my TikTok. Okay, so I'll obviously put my TikTok handle down below. Make sure you go over there and follow me. And as I said, daily lives every single day over on TikTok, Monday to Friday. Okay, so appreciate everyone watching. Okay, and I will see you in the next trade recap. Take care.